Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS for secure insurance data pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an AWS account if you don't have one already. Navigate to the AWS Management Console. Choose the appropriate region for your data processing needs. Set up Identity and Access Management, or IAM, to manage users and permissions securely. Create an IAM policy that specifies actions for accessing resources. Attach this policy to a new or existing IAM role. Set up an Amazon S3 bucket to store your insurance data securely. Enable server-side encryption for the S3 bucket to protect your data at rest. Configure bucket policies to control access at the bucket level. Next, set up Amazon RDS or DynamoDB for structured data storage. Choose the database engine that best suits your application requirements. Provision your database instance, ensuring it's in the same region as your S3 bucket. Implement encryption for the database to safeguard sensitive information. Set up a virtual private cloud, or VPC, to isolate your resources. Configure subnets within your VPC for optimized data flow. Deploy your application within the VPC for enhanced security. Utilize AWS Lambda functions to process your data securely in real time. Create triggers for your Lambda functions from your S3 bucket. Set up Amazon API Gateway to expose your application endpoints securely. Implement AWS CloudTrail to log all API calls for auditing purposes. Configure AWS Key Management Service, or KMS, for managing encryption keys. Regularly review your IAM policies and resource configurations for compliance. Set up monitoring using Amazon CloudWatch to track performance and security metrics. Perform security assessments to identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities. Consider implementing AWS Shield or AWS WAF for additional security on your applications. Document your data pipeline architecture and security measures for reference. Finally, continuously refine your processes based on performance metrics and security best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.